Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning unit 13. Its title is Be Clean, Stay Healthy. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to complete reading and comprehension of this unit. And before this, as I told you, we have learned how to use textbook pictures to aid comprehension. So we are going to learn further to use pictures or ribbons in this text to increase understanding. This is our today's SLO, which we practiced yesterday and we'll practice it today again. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 222, indeed, Allah loves those who are constantly repentant and loves those who purify themselves. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse tells us the importance of cleanliness. Allah loves people who are neat and clean. And yesterday we were talking how should we keep ourselves clean, the surroundings clean. So let's continue our reading. Before we start our lectures, first you tell me who was absent for a week. So we have read a part. Tell who was the student who was absent for a week and who said, I do clean the place where I sit. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember this story. Who was absent for a week? Yes, he was Adil. And who said, I keep the place clean? Let's see. She was Sarah. She said, yes, teacher, I do clean the place where I sit, right? So this was the point where we stopped our reading. From this point, I'm going to start reading. All of you, open your book on page number 95. Listen carefully, and after me, you will read it. Teacher, beta, as I told you, it's a dialogue type of conversation. There is conversation between student and teacher. Now, teacher is talking and she is saying to whom? To Sarah. Teacher, good Sarah, we should also keep our school, class, and playground clean. Now, you see, Sarah said, I clean the place where I sit. So, just you see, your surrounding means everywhere, your school, your classroom, your playground, wherever you go, make sure it's neat and clean. Take care of your hygiene. And what does hygiene mean? Any practice or activity that you do to keep things healthy and clean. And now, beta, we know clean doesn't mean just washing. Yes, after cleaning, after washing, we need to apply sanitizer and we need to keep ourselves away from dirty things and places. This is what total neat and clean. This is what hygiene is. So we should be careful about our hygiene. It keeps us safe from different diseases, right? When we are careful about our hygiene, we'll be safe from many diseases, inshallah. And one thing more, we just talked about it in the beginning. When we'll be careful about hygiene, Allah will love us. This is how we can make our school clean, our classroom clean, our playground clean. Okay? And what tip I give? If everyone be careful, we don't throw wrappers, we don't throw litter, we don't litter this place. It means we are going to keep our place neat and clean. And if we find any litter, we can clean it. Okay, this is how we can make our school, classroom and playground neat and clean. Now Rehan, another student is talking. Rehan, teacher, I never throw wrappers on the ground and always tell others to do the same. So what good thing he's talking? I don't throw wrappers, I throw wrappers in dustbin and I also tell others don't throw wrapper on ground. Now teacher, very good Rehan. So this is how we should throw wrappers in dustbin, okay? We should not write on walls, desks and chairs. Yes, beta, this is also very important. Because we have pencils now, we know how to use pencil, but the right place to use pencil is your notebook, where you are supposed to write. Not on walls or on desk or chair. These all things we should keep safe. Students, sure teacher, we all should keep our environment clean. A clean environment helps us to grow and learn more quickly. So wherever we find dirt or mess, we should clean it. Either it's a fence of our lawn or it's a wall, we can clean it. As it is said in the hadith, our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, cleanliness is the half of the faith. It is mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume 1, page number 203 and hadith number 223. So cleanliness is half of the faith, right? So alhamdulillah, we are Muslim, we should be neat and clean. Now you tell me, what are the different advantages of a clean environment and why should we keep ourselves clean? So dear teachers, you may pause the video, take the answers, make the students to read the text again and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It's our activity time. And what we are going to do? Teacher will ask the students to clean and organize their bags and show it to your teacher. So, we are going to help your mama today, all right? What you will do, you will open your bag, organize the way I have shown, place everything nicely on the table, clean your bag, place the things back to your bag, show your organized bag to your teacher. All of you do it and then come back. Yes, my dear students, good job. I know now everyone has organized bag very nicely. Books at a place, notebooks and other, everything which is supposed to be in your geometry box or pencil box, you have placed it nicely. Good job. Now show this bag. Keep your bag organized all the time and show your organized bag to your mama as well. She will be happy, inshallah. Okay, so what we are going to do? Answer the following questions. A, B part we did yesterday and C and D because we read this part today. So first answer these questions orally, then write the answers in your notebook. Pause the video, complete this task and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Again, you have to place your stuff back in your bag nicely, okay? Now, it's time for your homework. You will make sentences of the following words in your notebook, okay? So, you will do question number 1 in your homework. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, once again, I am giving you a worksheet where clues are there and you have to write it in words by looking at the picture. This type is called ribbons. We have practiced in grade 1. So, you will practice it again as a worksheet. So, what we have learned today, we learned to use pictures or ribbons in the text to increase understanding, and we achieved our SLO to use pictures or ribbons in the text to increase understanding. Are we done with it? Yes. So, that's it for today. Tomorrow, I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.